This is part 4 and the last video of our pricing strategy series. In our last 3 videos, we're able to understand the 3 types of pricing strategy that you can implement in your online store. In today's video, we're going to dive more of the popular pricing strategy that e-commerce businesses uses. And also, I will be sharing a secret. It's one of the product we sold in 2017 using one of the pricing strategy I'm going to share today. If you want to learn, stick around and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hello everyone, yung Mama Betcha here and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how you can be successful in your online selling, I give tips, best practices, tutorials, and other interesting things. So please consider subscribing and click the bell notification para updated ka sa aking mga bagong video. So this will be the last video of our pricing strategy series, and I hope that you realize by now that pricing is a bit tricky but is essential, especially when you are about to launch your online store. So there are 2 important things why we need to strategize our pricing. Una is to come up with a pricing that our customers will love. And of course, the second one is to maximize our profit margin. So if you want to improve your conversion rate, you need to have a pricing strategy in place. So let's jump into another type of pricing strategy. I will be sharing you a slide once again. And if you think that it will help you to jot down notes, feel free to do so. So I will be sharing 3 more type of pricing strategy that you can implement to your online store. Number 1 is what we call penetration pricing. So penetration pricing, from the word itself, to penetrate or penetration. So by definition, it's a process of making a way through. It's a strategy na kung saan any business owner enters a new product market with below average prices. Businesses also use this strategy when they're highlighting a new product or kung services man ang ino-offer mo. So, penetration pricing, paano nga ito natin ini-implement? So, how does this work? For penetration pricing, all you need to do is to set your prices lower than your competitors. So, ang main goal natin dito sa penetration pricing is to lure customers from your competitors into your stores. Okay? Next is price skimming. So it's another type of strategy where you set high prices of your products. So opposite to dun sa penetration pricing. Kung ang penetration pricing, ilo-lower down natin yung prices natin compared sa ating competitors. This time naman, ang price skimming is you set your prices higher naman dun sa iyong competition. This is mainly or applicable especially during an introductory phase. So when you are about to introduce a new product or a new service. So businesses who uses this strategy are able to leverage the newness of the product and of course maximize the profits from the get-go. So what do we do when we are about to implement this pricing strategy? Of course, is to highlight the urgency of your customers to buy that certain product. So, may mga customers tayo who want to be the first to get hold of the product. So, they like the feeling of exclusivity. You can use phrases such as exclusive offer, limited edition, limited availability, or be the first to get your hands on this product. So ito, i-share ko to, isa to sa mga secret that I have not revealed in my channel yet. So in 2017, we were actually the first to launch this product. So if you take a look at the screen, ang product po na ito ay itong sticky body. So it's a sticker picker upper that you can use lalong-lalong na kapag may mga family pets ka at home. So in 2017, we are able to sell 1,000 units at a price of 250 pesos. And the pricing strategy that we use for this one is price skimming because we only imported a limited number of stocks only for this item at a higher price. So let's take a look at the status of this product sa market. So puntahan lang natin ang website ng Lazada. So I will be using once again a desktop for you to see just to check kung kumusta na nga ba ang status ng product na to sa market. Okay, so we are now at the Lazada page using a desktop. So I've pulled up a browser once again and we went to lazada.com.ph. So tingnan natin yung status sa market nitong sticky body nitong year na to. Okay, so let's just type there sticky body and select nitong option na to. So if you notice, we have 355 items found based dun sa keyword na tinype in natin yung sticky body, but we are going to take a look at the same item nung binenta namin in 2017. So katulad po nito sa ating screen. So I hope you see it by now. Kasi may mga sticky body dito, yung mga lint rollers na iba. Although I think it has the same function, but it has a different brand or quality. So we're gonna take a look at this one mismo, itong sticky body na to. So I think we can sort this out by low to high na prices. So tingnan natin. Okay, so ang pinaka lowest price niya today is 95 pesos. Okay, let's scroll it down. And pinaka highest niya is okay, so nasa 1,099 ang pinaka-highest, no? Pero yung pinaka-average price niya, tingnan natin dito. Ayan, so nasa around 100 plus na lang siya ang bentahan nitong 2022. And ang pinakamadaming benta, let's see here, is from this store at 189. And out of stock na nga siya if you notice itong sticky body na to. So that's the market status of this item. So nag-range na siya from 95 pesos to 100 plus, although may mga nagbebenta ng napakamahal like 1,000 or 800. But in our case, nung 2017, so bumili kami, nag-import kami ng 1,000 units and then we sold it at 250 pesos using the price skimming strategy. Another perfect example nitong price skimming, by the way, is yung bagong labas na iPhone. So Apple is one of the best example of price skimming dahil ang ginagawa nila, 'di ba? They drum up excitement sa mga customers, lalong-lalo na yung mga type of consumers or customers who wanted to be the first to get their hands on sa new model ng mga iPhone. So in the States, 'di ba, yung iba in order to get the latest gadget, they would camp outside the store to be one of the first to get their hands on sa newest model. Ang iba naman, nagpe-payment sila, nagpe-pre-order for their model weeks before bago nila makuha yung phone. So, nandun yung exclusivity offer, nandun yung limited availability, and of course, yung be the first to get your hands on type of consumer using itong price skimming strategy. Okay, and then let's move on to another type of pricing strategy. This is what we call the loss leader pricing. So a loss leader pricing is a strategy where a price that actually you put at a loss. So, pepresyuhan mo yung product mo na hindi ka kumikita. So again, it involves setting only a few products to be sold at a lower price, and yung presyo na yon is actually putting you at a loss. And ang goal natin dito sa loss leader is in order to get your customers through the door para pumunta sila sa iyong online store or to your website. So business owners who use this loss leaders pricing strategy hopes that once your customers are on your website or your sa online store mo, they're more likely to buy from you rather than sa customers or sa competitors natin. Okay? So, ang loss leader strategy, kung medyo worried ka dahil from the word loss, wala kang ang kikitain, no? What you can actually do, a quick tip, is to consider putting a loss leader product as an add-on product where customers or people would need to come back to your store to make a supplementary purchase or mag-a-add-on sila sa mga bibilhin nila. So, an example for this one is kung ikaw ay plantita, no, and you are selling plants. So, you can do an add-on as a loss leader. You can probably sell a mini shovel, no, yung parang maliit na pala as one of your loss leader product para you can get customers through the door on your website or on your online store. Okay? So ano yung key takeaways natin sa series natin na ito? Kasi gumawa tayo ng part 4 sa ating pricing strategy series. Ang pinaka-importanting element dito sa pagpa-pricing ng iyong products is to really sustain your business. You need to do balancing act once again when pricing strategy is in place. Kasi if your products are set at a high price and potential customers don't buy, of course, you will lose market share. Pero if you set naman a low price and you'll be selling at a loss or hindi sustainable na profit margin, this will make it a challenge to grow and scale your business. So marami mga important factors that your pricing needs to be accounted for. Like how you price in relation to your competitors, to consumer trends, and ano nga ba yung mga different pricing strategies mean para sa negosyo mo at saka sa customers' expectations. I hope that you find value in our topic today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, kung ikaw ay nakasubaybay sa ating mga video sa channel na ito, what topic would you want to learn? Topics na hindi pa natin na-discuss but you think is essential or important for you to learn so you too can be successful in your e-commerce journey. So wag mahihiyang mag-comment. Comment away, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!